Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, the only way quest active and your level meets the requirement. Once done, equip a fast mount and top off stamina so you won't be stopped. Now open the world map and place a waypoint on the Epona Sso region. Make sure you pick the nearest teleport or camp to shorten travel. This first action sequence saves time and prevents backtracking. Move immediately to the marked teleport and prepare for the route ahead. After teleporting, you follow the highlighted route toward Epona Sso, transitioning from fast travel to ground navigation. Use short sprint bursts and your movement cooldowns to clear open stretches quickly. This conserves stamina while keeping pace. When you encounter enemy patrols, pause and time your movements to slip through or shift to stealth to bypass combat. Also monitor the minimap for dynamic events that might block the path, and reroute immediately to maintain. As you near Epona Sso, approach the perimeter and handle the final interaction, activate the gateway, or solve the short gate puzzle needed to access the core area. Once inside, secure the objective and immediately update the quest log or speak with the NPC to register completion. If progress stalls, relog to reset server-side state or retreat to the last camp and reload. Additionally, verify quest flags and clear cache files if the trigger failed. That troubleshooting step fixes most blocking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.